Hi, it's Jordan. Welcome to 54 Robin Hood Road, nestled in the neighborhood of Chestnut Hills here in Etobicoke, essentially right at Dundas and Islington, for incredible access to the 401, the QEW, and downtown. You can go to the Bloor Street subway in about 5 minutes, but you're also nestled in an incredible neighborhood for family. And that's what this neighborhood is all about. It is nothing but streets of families up and down, very, very quiet. A park across the street. We are here at a beautiful corner lot that's 55 by 125. And it just goes on and on and on to the back. So this is a property that you could move in today and expand tomorrow. But let's take you inside. I want to show you around the inside of the property, and we'll also show you around the yard. Now this home features 3 bedrooms upstairs, a bedroom or an office on the main level, and another office or bedroom in the lower level. So it's got a lot of flexibility for a small growing family or perhaps a multi-generational family who would want to move into one of the best neighborhoods in the city. And why do I say one of the best neighborhoods? Well, certainly it's one of the friendliest. Ben and I have been here for half hour. There's people walking by, constantly saying hello, how you doing? And I know from the neighbors, when we've been setting up here, constantly dropping by, how can we help, what have you. So it's incredibly friendly, but it's also got wonderful schools. People come here for the public schools. Around the corner is Kingswood College School as well. So if you have kids and you want options in terms of their schooling, you can't ask for a better neighborhood in the GTA. Currently right now, it is turnkey. You can move in. It is a beautiful home. And from the kitchen, you can see there's a beautiful window overlooking the entire backyard, which is huge. Well, thanks for joining me on my tour. If you have any questions about 54 Robin Hood Road, please get back to me, DM us. I'd be happy to take you through the property, or tell your friends. If they're looking to be in this neighborhood, you can't ask for a better house at a better price point to get into this beautiful neighborhood.